is one other aspect of the proceedings at the Tokyo World Championships that we have to discuss. The application of common sense with the false start rule. Obviously, there were some blatant false start cases where athletes were kicked out of the race, but instructively, there was at least a clear false start in the women 100-meter semi-final that involved Sha'Carri Richardson. And the starter simply said, take this warning and let's go again. There was another one in the men's semi-final involving Andre DeGrasse twitching in the blocks. Starter said again, yellow card, warning, let's go again. Simple, common sense, discretionary calls that the Maverick been begging for, especially at our national trials, to select our best team. So these big international starters applying discretion at the big world championships, and our starters in Jamaica are dismissing athletes at our national trials, and they are dismissing 10 and 12-year-olds as champs for twitching in the blocks. And I rest my case.